Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. Okay, first of all, before even starting to talk about the haul, can we get some appreciation for my eye look today? I spent the last 1.5 hours doing this whole makeup look and I love it. Anyways, buying things weird to necessary to random things from Amazon has been kind of my past hobby, and I kind of noticed that I haven't made an Amazon haul video for last 2 months I guess, but I have never stopped buying from Amazon in these 2 months. Very weird, random, necessary things are piling up in my room from Amazon, and I thought it's time to sit down and shoot an Amazon haul video. And here I am. Today's haul video has got a lot of makeup, some weird makeup which I have never tried, and there are some staples that I stocked up. So all together it's a really fun Amazon haul video, and also all the products of this haul video is under 300 rupees, 300 to 350. So it's also very affordable. So stay tuned and let's get started with today's video. So the first product in my hand is this one. This is Mars mascara. It retails for, I don't know the price, I guess it's 150 or something. It has 12 ml of product. I have reviewed this product in detail, but in one line, love this mascara. It gives you really big lashes. Now I am not a mascara girl, so I don't use it every day. Rather I prefer to use falsies when I'm filming a video, or even I go out, I prefer a eyeliner over a mascara. But I really like this one. I think this is my most favorite product from entire range of Mars Cosmetics products that I have. So yeah, I love this one. Now the second product is this one. This is their very newly launched eyeshadow palette. The shade that I have in my hand is Smoke It Up. It's a very pretty neutral brown sort of a eyeshadow palette. I love the color theory so much. It is so tempting. It has got a mirror, which is kind of really good at this price range. Now I do have a dedicated video of this palette where I've talked in details about the application of pigment, blending and everything. So I'm not going to tell you guys anything about this. If you want to buy this palette, go watch that video. Now the next product from Mars Cosmetics is the last product of Mars Cosmetics present in this haul. So this is their highlighter. Now it has also got a mirror at this price range, and I love this highlighter basically. So let me just swatch it again for you guys, though I have already. Yeah, it's not very blinding though. It's a very subtle type of highlighter, and you know, I love this highlighter. It is perfect for any daytime event, or even if you are going to college, or you know, just going out for a brunch. This is a perfect highlighter. So I love this one. However, I must say that this is not as blinding as the Wet n Wild's Precious Petals highlighter. That's like, yeah, that's my favorite highlighter. It's not that blinding, but it is a very good subtle type of highlighter. And also I must say about the packaging, it has a magnetic closure. I hope you can, yeah, that sound. I love the packaging. It looks so luxurious. I just love to hold this product so much. But also I do have a review video of this product. Go and check it out. Okay, the next product is the product which I have never ever tried in my entire life. This is a makeup product, and I was really very interested to try this product because I have seen so many people making gorgeous looks out of this. So I'm basically talking about pressed glitters. No, I think it's loose glitters. I don't know what it is called, but it is something with glitters. And oh my god, glitters are so expensive. If I get a glitter eyeshadow, it is expensive. Now if I get loose pigment glitters, that's also expensive, but I really wanted to try out glitters. So you know what I'll do, being the most affordable queen out there? Yeah, that's right, I have gone to Amazon and bought myself a set of glitters, and can I say that I just love it. Let me just show you guys this pretty glitters. You can't take your eyes off if I show you guys right now. So I hope you can see. So these are all the colors. How many are there? I guess 12. Yeah, 12 different colors, and it costed me around 300. So it's supremely cheap. It's inexpensive. It's kind of free. They are so pretty. Oh my god, these are such pretty glitters. Now the glitters are not totally fine powders. The particles are circular and a little bit chunky. So these are chunky glitters. When I got and opened this parcel, I was so excited that day itself I had to create a look, and now it's been a month with this one and I have created so many looks, and I felt so good when I applied this one. Now these are glitters which you can't apply directly. You need glue for that, and I use eyelash glue to apply these glitters. They are freaking pretty. So I love these glitters. Please go and buy it. I 100%, not 100%, 200% would recommend you guys to buy this one. This is the cheapest option if you want any glitter sort of eyeshadow or chunky glitters. So I would say just don't spend your money over all those pressed glitters or loose glitters from different expensive brands. Just go and buy your Amazon glitters, please. and if you like glitters, then go and invest on an expensive brand. I'm not saying those brands are bad, I'm just saying first try out with an affordable one and then go for an expensive option. So love this one, please buy it. I would highly recommend you guys. I will force you guys to buy this one. This is so good, I'm obsessed. Now the next is I have 2 new products from my favorite brand, recent favorite brand I must say. So it's Inside Cosmetics. Yes, I love the brand. So the first product is their loose powder. So this is a translucent HD finishing loose powder. The name is a mouthful and the shade I have is medium beige. Now I have been using this for a lot of times. I mean, I have used this more than 20 times, I guess. So I do have a first impression video. It's really a good product, but when you are buying this one, make sure to buy a shade lighter because it does oxidizes. I don't know you can see it because of all these lighting. Also because it's not a sunny day, it's raining so much, so you can't actually differentiate. So what happens is that my under eye becomes a little bit more yellow than actually what my skin looks like. It becomes a little bit darker than its actual color. So I would just suggest you guys buy a lighter shade. I mean 1 shade lighter than your actual shade. Now the next Inside product is this one. I have recently reviewed this in details in one of my video. So this is their new product. This is the Blemish Bum Corrector or Concealer. I don't remember the name. And it is super cheap. It is less than 100 rupees. The shade I have is NC3 Rose Ivory. I also love this product. I don't want to say anything more than this because I have recently reviewed this product. So go and check it out. Now the next product is a very important product. It's a necessary. It's a must-have. So these are this. You can't understand while it's in the bag. The product is inside the bag. I got makeup brushes from this brand, Star Makers. It's an Amazon brand. I haven't actually heard about this brand, but I felt like the products could be decent, so I bought it. I think everybody who is buying things from Amazon, they just buy based on the picture and hoping that it would turn out good. I would say it had really turned out good. The makeup brushes are really good. I love these brushes. I have used it today as well. Now these are the brushes. I really like the aesthetic as well. These are small, so you know, I don't like bigger brushes. It can be really heavy or you know, it's very difficult for my smaller hand, but these brushes are small. These are eye brushes, so I think eye brushes are generally small. I mean, I'm talking about the length. I've been using these brushes for 1.5 months or 2 months, I guess. I have also included these brushes in my best Amazon brush video, where I have picked up each and every brush and shown the application and talked about it, its negatives and positives. So I would highly recommend you guys to watch that video. It's a really must-have video from my channel. But in brief, I would say it has got blending brushes, flat brushes, even graphic liner brushes. How developed is this brand? I haven't found any graphic liner brushes with any eye brush set. I have a lot of eye brush sets, so this is the first one who has this. Now this has got pencil brushes as well. I mean all kinds of brushes. There are 12 brushes in this set. If you have this brush, you don't really need any other brush. It blends really well. I have recently washed these brushes as well. After washing, there was no shading, the hair didn't fall off, so I would recommend you guys these brushes. Now we are done with all the makeup products. Now it's the time for skincare products. Though I do not have anything new skincare products in this haul because I am kind of trying to stick to my original skincare routine because it's been working really great for me. So I have not been planning recently to try out anything new. Mainly the moisturizer, the sunscreens, all those things. Serums I want to try out. So in this haul I have actually stocked down my must-have. So first must-have is this face wash. I have talked 1,000 times in my video about this face wash. So this is the Cleanse Me Gentle Cleanser. So love this face wash. This is my, by the way, 4th bottle. I have been talking about this so much. I really don't want to talk any further about this face wash. Yeah, so got this one. Now the second one is this. This is my new favorite. This is the Blessing Tree Sunscreen Lotion, and this one is my second bottle. This is my new favorite. A lot of you guys asked me in my DMs as well as comment section when I reviewed this product that whether this is perfume free, fragrance free. But no, this sunscreen is not perfume free, but I still like this product. First of all, because I do not have a sensitive skin, so my skin can take a perfume, and it is really very affordable, and my skin has improved a lot after I started using my skincare regime, which includes this product. Yeah, I love it, and it is also mineral based sunscreen, and my skin suits physical sunscreens more than chemical filters. So this one has got zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and it's a PA+++. So everything is there, so I love this one, so I got myself a second bottle. Now the next one is the only product which is like more than 350. Should I tell you guys about this product? Let's just tell you. One cheating is allowed, I think. So this is one of my must-have. This is my third bottle as well, so I'm talking about this one. Now all this makeup it takes away. I use it every day. It retails for I guess 450, but this lasts you really long time. It lasts me 6 months, 5 to 6 months, so it's really worth it. This is the Plum's E-Luminescence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. It does have fragrance as well. I love it actually, so I would highly recommend you guys. I've been putting on so much makeup every single day for filming purposes, also for different face painting looks as well. So this one takes away all my makeup. I do double cleanse and this is my first step, so I love this product. I don't think I'm gonna ever not buy this one. And also another reason is that this is the cheapest cleansing balm available in the Indian market today, and it is so good. So yeah, we are finally at the end of this video. I hope you have liked this video. I'll be linking everything down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill: like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I have seen that 80 to 90% of the people who are watching my video haven't subscribed. Please do subscribe and help me out. Also, I should mention that thank you so much for your lovely comments. Those of you guys are commenting. I know you guys. I love you guys so much. And with that, I'm going to go now. I'll meet you guys in my next video, and then be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want